For the record, this video was recorded in the comfort of my room. Anyways, barely a week ago, Microsoft officially announced on The Verge, or that's what I saw, that their OS is now completely Apple M1 and M2 compatible. That's the ARM chipset Apple released not too long ago. Yeah, so today I'm going to be talking about the compatibility and extensively how compatible it is, just so you get to what extent it is and to what extent it's not. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll mostly be using screen recordings because most of what I want to tell you, I want to show you. Yeah, so I guess that's just it. Let's get off. So as I was saying, it's officially supported on, this is a Mac, as you can see, with Mac OS Ventura, to be precise. And this is how easy it is to access Parallels. Yeah, you can see this Parallels desktop environment, and this is Windows on ARM. There is basically the ARM that was made for a Lenovo ThinkPad X13s that came out this year, I guess. Yeah, you can see Parallels ARM. Let's go to about. Yeah, Apple Silicon. This is an M1 PC 3.2. It uses 4 out of my 8 cores, and this is Windows 11 Pro. This is Windows for ARM, basically a 64-bit operating system. Yeah, on an ARM based CPU. Yeah, so you can see everything works just as it should be, and this is how it looks like basically. Yeah, so as Microsoft has officially said it in their website, that you can access the ARM version of the Windows operating system with Parallels, which you can see here. There is one coming up, it's called UTM4, but it's still in beta, so it can't be officially spoken about yet. Yeah, well, officially this is it. This is Parallels 18. By the way, if you want to install this app, if you want to have what I have, this Windows, if you want to have this, all you have to do is check the link in my description. I have a video that shows how to install it. Yeah, check the link in my description. I think the one I actually dropped shows how I can get it without paying that outrageous price. Yeah, so if you're a student or someone that really needs it for educational purposes, I think that will fit you perfectly. Yeah, so you'll find it in that link. By the way, another cool thing Parallel does is that you can actually run it and run Windows apps without actually having to how do I put it, without needing to use the desktop environment. Yeah, all you have to do is something called coherence. Coherence is the Mac OS and the Parallels with Windows virtualization coexisting at the same time. Yeah, without conflicting. So let's just say we go back to normal desktop. This is Mac, as you can see. And I'll enter Parallels with View, and okay, I think we have to exit full screen first. Yeah, this is it. So enter Coherence. Yeah, now as you can see, this is how Coherence works. Now you can open windows that depend on the Windows OS. This is a window that depends on Windows OS. You can open it without having to use the whole UI of Windows 11. You get what I mean? This is a Mac OS, but you can see it even shows the whole store. Yeah, it even allows you to get the start menu, that allows you launch stuff. Let's launch something like Notepad or something like that. Notepad or whatsoever. Let's try something different. Let's say clock. Yeah, clock thumbs up. What else? Let's try Microsoft Edge. Yeah, you can see Edge also comes on just like a normal window. It's just perfect actually, the way it works. Yeah, you can see, you can take it around. I haven't tried dragging it to other displays though, but you can see you don't actually have to be in the Windows desktop environment or Windows 11 to run. You can do Coherence. Perfect. And let me exit Coherence. But we are back to the normal nobody has whatsoever. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video where I broke down the compatibility. Yeah, all in all, in summary, is compatible officially with ARM version of Windows. That's the MacBook M1 and M2 and M2 Pro, M1 Pro, rest of them. All you have to do is Parallels. It's an official way. Windows have mentioned it already. So that is basically it. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to ask questions if you have any. I had you out.